In this video, I'll show you how to add transitions in Filmora to make your edits look smoother and more professional. First, make sure you have at least 2 clips placed next to each other on the timeline. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Transitions tab. Here, you'll find a variety of transition categories like trending, 3D, slides, and more. Pick the category you want and hover over any transition to preview how it looks. To apply a transition, simply drag your chosen one, let's say warp zoom, onto the cut between your 2 clips. You'll see the transition icon appear in between. If you want to make the transition shorter or longer, just drag its edge on the timeline. And if you want to remove it, select it and press delete. That's it. Adding transitions in Filmora is quick and easy, and they can really enhance your video flow. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe for more Filmora tutorials.